What the story you gonna tell today?
Sandy is looking for her best friend
Oh, what happened?
because Sandy is don't have no one to play with.
Oh,
So she just stay in the park alone.
oh no.
First, she needed to have someone to play with.
Mm,
First, she go meet Bendy,
okay.
but Bendy said
Mm.
his best friend is Boras.
Ah,
Then Sandy go ask Boras, but Boras said his best friend is Bendy.
okay.
Then Sandy go ask Alice,
Okay.
but Alice said his best friend is Peggy.
That's me. That's me.
Then Sandy needed to go ask her own best friend,
Oh,
SpongeBob and Patrick.
yeah.
But SpongeBob and Patrick said we're busy doing summer camp.
Oh, they do at the camp.
Yeah, they're busy doing summer camp คือ
ยุ่งในการทำแคมป์ช่วงซัมเมอร์ไปแคมป์เข้าค่ายพัก
ไม่มีเวลามาเล่นด้วย
ไม่
อ่ะ
มีเวลามาเล่นด้วยทำกิจกรรมต่าง
So